TEI HEM drilling attachments are the most versatile excavator platform available for ground improvement, earth retention, and rock drilling applications. Our patented HEM system combines TEI drifters featuring automatic stroke adjustment or rotary heads with our advanced feed system to produce unequaled drilling technology. The TEI HEM connects easily with quick couplers to minimize attachment changeout time. You can quickly utilize multiple attachments for a single excavator or share an HEM attachment with more than one rig. HEM does not modify the excavator in any way. The excavator boom and TEI HEM attachment combine to form an excellent drilling platform that receives its hydraulic power from the excavator's hammer circuit. Our HEM attachment utilizes two unique positioners that are capable of 360-degree rotations to accommodate difficult operations in low, high, or confined applications. TEI HEMs incorporate built-in swivels that accept air, water, or grout for most types of drilling, including hollow bar installations. The versatile TEI radio-controlled HEM provides operators with exacting controls and a clear line of sight for a difficult project that requires some installation flexibility. TEI incorporates performance-driven patented technology with quality American workmanship to manufacture the industry-leading excavator drilling platform used in construction markets worldwide. The TEI HEM drilling attachment is also available with an EU-certified protective cover that meets current European equipment standards. TEI Rock Drills is an industry-leading manufacturer of drilling attachments, limited access drills, and drilling components with distribution worldwide. Visit our website today to discover more about TEI's innovative HEM drilling attachments.